to Salt Lake City, we have experienced a 1-hour time change. The local time here is approximately 3:38. During taxiing, you may use your cellular phones and other approved electronic devices. However, your laptop computers and DVD players must remain properly stopped. Please stay in your seat with your seatbelt securely fastened until the airplane completely stops at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, please use caution if you open the overhead bins when gathering your belongings, as items do tend to shift around during flight. If you are connecting to another Delta flight here in Salt Lake City, there will be a TV screen just inside the gatehouse with all connecting flights listed there. If you need further information about ground transportation, baggage claim, or connecting flights, Delta representatives needing this